So just to let you know, I already have a Laravel installation. Okay. This is not a beginner's course. I'm going to repeat that again. This is not a beginner's course. In this course, I'm going to show you how to integrate Vue.js with Laravel. So you got to know about Laravel, and you also have to know about Vue.js. If you don't know about Vue.js, you can still kind of, continue with me, but it's not recommended. I do have a Vue.js course that can get you up and running real fast. But anyway, so with that said, let's get started. Now, I already have, like I mentioned, a Laravel installation already going, and I have a database connected to this installation, to this project. Okay. So the first thing that we're going to have to start doing is building our backend, right? So that's one of the first things. I want to go ahead and start creating maybe a controller, maybe a migration that I don't have a migration yet, and maybe a model. So let's do this right here with PHP Artisan. So let's do PHP Artisan, and I'm going to make a model, and it's going to be called task, just like this. And I'm going to give you a couple parameters here. I'm going to say I want a migration, I want a controller, and I want the controller to have some type of resource. That's what the R stands for. Okay. And I'm going to press enter, and that's going to create that for me. So another thing that we need to do besides building this is our routes, right? We're not going to be dealing with the web routes. I want to show you how to build like a simple Restful API, so that way you guys can know how to do that. So I'm gonna kill two birds in this course. The first bird that I'm gonna actually not kill, but you know what I'm saying. So the first thing that I'm going to teach you is how to integrate Vue, and then I'm gonna teach you how to apply a simple RESTful API in the backend as well with Laravel and Vue.js. So that's pretty interesting, right? So let's come back here and let's go to the API. Make sure that you are in the API, and I'm going to create a route real quick here. And this route is going to be a resource, just like this. Okay. And we want everything to go to API, and then it's going to tasks, just like that. Remember that they first have to type API, or whatever request has to go to that. And this is going to be in a tasks controller, and we got to check on that right now to see if it's available. Okay, now I'm not going to be using all the methods in my controller, so I'm going to kind of omit one of these. I'm gonna take them off or not use them. So I'm gonna say except, and this is just because this is gonna be very simple. We might add it later on, but right now we're just gonna build something simple, guys. I don't want any of these. And as a matter of fact, the store, we can keep the store method there. Let's just leave it like that, and later on we'll decide anything else to see if it works. Let's go to our app, HTTP, and let's go to our task controller. Make sure it's there. Our task model is there. And let's make sure that our database is there as well, our migrations. Okay, perfect. Now remember that we don't have anything here, so we need to generate some type of login or something like that. And if you know how to do that with Laravel, go ahead and do that. I'm assuming that you do. And we're gonna start working on the trying to get a controller and the migrations in the next lectures. Trying to get that set up. Okay. See you in the next lecture, guys.